What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's January 17th, one day before we get the Eibach installed. I'm taking you guys on my commute with me to downtown Seattle. I've been commuting into the office a couple days a week now. We should be pulling up to the parking garage pretty soon here. You can see we got the sunroof open. You'll see how close this clearance is. You can see that clearance, 6 feet 8 inches, super tight. See how close that is? You know, I'm still seeing, it looks like we still have an inch, so I think we'll be good. I think if we lift this thing up, when you're leveling the front, you're not really raising the height of the truck. Because we're lifting the rear too, that's gonna raise the height of the truck. And we're only going up, supposedly from the reviews I've read, the Eibach springs are rated for 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch in the back, 2.2 in the front. That's what I'm hoping for, and we can still clear this parking garage, because on nasty days like this when the weather sucks, you don't really want to be walking in the city. Back in here next to the motorcycle parking. About 3 more months till track season, guys. April I think is the first day of track season, and can't tell you how much I'm itching to take the ZX-10R out. Check on the Raptor. Anyways, that's the 6 feet 8 inch clearance when pulling in. That's what we're trying to not hit when we put Eibach springs on the Raptor. We're headed to Auburn Car Repair and Off-Road. It is a nasty day today. It's just coming down, but we're not gonna let that stop us. So we're getting the springs installed today. Super excited. I got some bad news. Unfortunately, my wheels look like they're delayed right now. I've been checking the FedEx tracking like every hour, and it looks like they're stuck in Montana. Pulling up to the shop. All right, guys, we made it. The weather does not want to cooperate. So we got the truck. We'll get the stock height. Auburn Car Repair and Off-Road. We're gonna leave the springs in the back. Hopefully no tweakers take it. I'll ask John to see if I should throw it in the cab here. Going in the shop. One last before shot. Guys, we called ourselves an Uber. We'll get out of here and we'll come back when the truck's all done. Thank you. Alright guys, got to the shop. Truck is all done. She's tucked away in the parking space, so I can't show her off right now, but I'll get her pulled up into the garage and we'll get a new shot of her. Yeah, so far so good. Driving over little bumps here and there, over the railroad tracks earlier, so she might feel slightly stiffer, but honestly I can't really tell a difference. She rides just like stock. She rides really good. You can definitely feel the additional height. You can feel you're sitting up higher in the truck, so I like that feeling. You already had that feeling with the 37s package as is, but now it's even better. I gotta pull over here. I want to get a shot under some light to see how she's sitting. Plus I want to show you guys before today is completely dark. So quick shot of the truck. Yeah, it's too dark. You guys aren't gonna see anything, but holy hell. All right guys, it is the next day. It's Friday, just got off work. Happy to report that we took her in the garage and she cleared, even with the new Eibach springs. So super happy about that. It was probably like half a centimeter from hitting that top bar clearance, but she cleared the work garage, so super happy. So we gained about 1.5 inches. I was kind of shocked we got the whole inch and a half, and we went up pretty much 2.2, so just like the springs advertised. So 1.5 in the rear, 2.2 in the front. Now that the sun's out, give you guys a clear shot of how she's looking. I'm actually really happy with the setup. I'll be back again once we get the wheels on. Unfortunately, the wheels did not come yesterday. They're still in Montana. I think FedEx ran into some snow or some icy roads, so they're still delayed. I keep checking every hour, but unfortunately they're not here yet. Quick shot of the springs. You can see those Eibach springs there, and then we got them in the rear as well. Get you guys underneath. See the springs. They look really good. So I'll do a slow walk around of how she looks with the stock OEM wheels, stock 37 package wheels, and the Eibach springs. Get a side shot. Shot in the rear. I know when I was researching this Pro lift kit from Eibach, I wanted a shot at all angles, so hopefully this will help some of you guys in your research. I'm thinking she looks really good. All she's missing is just the zero offset wheels to give her that bulldog stance, and then she'll be sitting just perfect. All right guys, I'll be back soon.
Yeah, this is for the